When God wants to know, when God wants to know love of Radharani for his satisfaction, for his satisfaction. When God wants to distribute, when God wants to distribute love of God to the man without qualification, without qualification. When God wants to establish, when God wants to establish Dharma of the air, the Naam Sankirtan, the Naam Sankirtan. He took birth in Nadiya, he took birth in Nadiya on full moon day celebration, on full moon day celebration. His childhood was full of mischief and trickery. His childhood was full of mischief and trickery. He was learned and famous as Nimai Pandit, who owned his own grammar nursery, who owned his own grammar nursery, and defeated the best scholar Kashmiri, and defeated the best scholar Kashmiri. As a sweet little Brahman boy on the bank of Ganges, as a sweet little Brahman boy on the bank of Ganges, he was joined in Garde by his eternal associate. He was joined in Gardesh by his eternal associate. With great attachment to holy name, he did kirtan at Srivas house day and night, day and night. He performed many mysterious leela, he performed many mysterious leela, and defeated the Muslim king Kaji without a fight, without a fight. He took the path of traveling, he took the path of traveling, and preached cities into devotee. He magnanimous took sanya, he magnanimous took sanya, to left his family in his 20s. Strict sannyasi he never allowed, as a strict sannyasi he never allowed any woman or rich man to get his association, any rich man or woman to get his association. He stayed in Puri for 18 years, he stayed in Puri for 18 years, and established the bhakti of separation, and established the bhakti of separation. His association surcharged Raghunath Haridas. His association surcharged Raghunath Haridas. He used as his instrument to preach and prachar. As a rich magnanimous merchant, as a rich magnanimous merchant, he distributed his wealth freely. He distributed his wealth freely. Even animals of Jharkhand forest, even animals of Jharkhand forest, got the love of Godhead absolutely. Got love of Godhead absolutely. As an adventurous traveler, he excavated the lost places of Vrindavan, of Vrindavan. He exhibited intense love. He exhibited intense love and separation for Krishna in Rath Yatra fun. In Rath Yatra fun. He explained the real meaning of. He explained the real meaning of Puri Rath Yatra procession. Puri Rath Yatra procession. To invite the Lord in the temple of heart. To invite the Lord in the temple of heart. He taught the Gundicha margin. He taught the Gundicha margin. He completed his pastime. He completed his pastime and became one with of Gopinath Puri, of Gopinath Puri, leaving his devotees in an ocean of, leaving his devotees in an ocean of grief, adversity, penury, of grief, adversity, penury. The son of the Gaudiyakar is sad till next Kalpa begins. The only solace for the crying souls, the only solace for the crying souls are his pastimes and teachings. Are his pastime as teachings, are his pastime, oh, and his teaching. When God wants to know, when God wants to know love of Radharani for his satisfaction, for his satisfaction. When God wants to distribute, when God wants to distribute love of Godhead to the man without qualification, without qualification. When God wants to establish, when God wants to establish Dharma of the Naam Sankirtan, the Naam Sankirtan. Jaya Gauranitai, 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 Jaya Gauranitai. Gaur Gaur Gauranga, 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 Gaur Gaur Gauranga. Jayo Prabhupada, 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 Jayo Prabhupada, Jayo Gurudeva, Prabhupada, Gurudeva, Srila Prabhupada, Jayo Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Gurudeva, Srila Prabhupada, जदि दया न करिबे पतिता देखिया, जदि दया न करिबे पतिता देखिया, पतित पावना किसेरा लागिया, पतित पावना किसेरा लागिया।